Hey everyone, this is Elaine with Larkin Lane Creations. Glad you could join me. Today I want to show you one of my upcycling things. You know, you've heard about dumpster diving. Well, this is on a little smaller scale. I was walking down the hallway at work one day and I saw these pieces of 2x4. We had had some construction going on at work and I saw those, and this is how my brain works. I said I could do something with those. So sure enough, I took them home. It's about 7 or 8 pieces, and I put gesso all over them, and then I painted them. And the thing too is something like this. I used some old paint that was kind of starting to dry up, and you know, I just really wanted to get rid of it, but I didn't want to waste it, being the upcycler I am and trying to, you know, be frugal. So anyway, I painted them, and then again I say to myself, now what can I do with them? So I know at work sometimes, like, you know, you go to lunch, you want people to know that you're gone, but you'll be right back. So this is what I did. This is where mixed media comes into upcycling. I just simply wrote, I'm gone, so they know that I'm out to lunch. And then when I get back, it says I'm back. And what I did is I took some embossing powder and some scroll stamps that I had, and I did these designs on them. And I think that is adorable, just to set on my desk. The embossing powder that I used is by Stamp Pendus, and it's chunky. And some of it, as you can see, is aged. It is beautiful to me. I've really used this embossing powder a lot. So anyway, let me get back to the blocks. So I did this one, I'm gone, now I'm back. This one I simply said, I've gone to lunch, I'm back. And then this one I said, welcome to my desk. You know, we have small offices, but I want to welcome people in. I want them to feel invited. And then this one, though, I said, shh. And this one needs to be on my desk right now since I'm videoing. This one says, I'll be back in a few. And this one, you want to make sure your boss likes it and knows that you love your job. So that one I need to keep on my desk. Here again, I'm out to lunch and I'm here. This one, I don't know, it just kind of came to me. I thought, think harder. Because there's sometimes when I'll get to an Excel spreadsheet or something, and I don't know, it's kind of got me baffled. So I take a break, get a drink of water, and then I think harder. And then I need to remember to laugh at myself. And then we have one girl that works with us. She's in love and loves going to the beach, loves the sea. So I thought about her when I did this one. I put, I need vitamin C. And then I did some mermaids on the side of it and some turtles on the top. And this one says, ocean air and salty hair. I thought that was adorable. Anyway, that's my little upcycle project for this week. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you, again, have any ideas for me, I still have some more pieces of wood. And I know that you can find things too. Don't be embarrassed about putting your hand down in the trash can. It'll be okay. And look at the fun things you can come up with. So then I was walking down the hall at work yesterday, and the HR guy stops me and he says, I have some key cards, and someone said that you might be interested in them. I was like, oh heavens, I think I've gained a reputation at work. But sure enough, look at all of these key cards. So then I said, well, now what can I do with all of these? Well, you think about it. Paint scrapers, scrapers for glue, and I'm wondering if they are about the size of an ATC. Wouldn't that be fun? I mean, they're hard plastic. I will make use out of these, so stay tuned. Again, please give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also do have a Facebook group, and it too is called Larkin Lane Creations. So come and join us and show us how you upcycle. Thanks. Bye.